What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Part-Time CEO YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about opening up a business bank account with Bank of America. So let's get started right here. I'm on the desktop. This is bankofamerica.com. The account is a Business Advantage account. That is right here, Business Advantage Fundamentals. The bank account, at this current moment, they're offering a promotion. First 12 months, no fee, no monthly fee. Again, no monthly fee. Now, when you go to this account, right, it's for small businesses. Make sure you have your LLC ready, your EIN number. Okay, very important. This is not a personal account. This is a business account. Remember, have your LLC and your EIN number ready. Okay, now if you go through this site right here, I'm on the desktop, gives you basic information about what this account is. Okay, you can open it right now through the desktop, or you can go to your local branch. Now, this is a bank account, so the amount you should put into it to start, just to have in the account, I mean, it all varies. You can start with $250, $500, whatever's best. I mean, it is for small businesses, so you can ask one of the representatives what would be a best amount for you. But always remember, maintain a balance on the account. Okay, so the fact that you have a year free with no fees is great, but remember, always maintain some kind of amount in it. Anything that we do in terms of business, put it into this business bank account. You transition what your side hustle, your small business, out of your personal bank account and start a business bank account. This is the website. This is Bank of America, a great for small businesses, and this is the account. Okay, so if you have a business currently and you're accepting payments into your personal account, make that transition immediately into a business bank account. Get your LLC and your EIN for this account to be active. Okay, so I want to thank y'all for watching. This is Part-Time CEO. Subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.